Harrod Horticultural has over 60 years of UK design and manufacturing experience. Our range of garden structures and products have been thoughtfully designed and chosen to help you achieve your perfect garden. Based in Suffolk, we have over 120,000 square feet of manufacturing and warehouse space. Innovation is key at Harrod Horticultural, and in 2017 we opened our stunning new innovation centre with over 800 square metres of office and workshop space. The Innovation Centre is an environment for designing, developing and prototyping new products. Using the latest in CAD technology and modern machinery, our research and development team ensure that all products, whether standard or bespoke, are designed and manufactured to the highest standard. All Harrod Horticultural products are fabricated using carefully selected materials, which is why the majority of our products carry the longest guarantee in the industry. A large stock holding allows us to provide fast delivery across our range of products. We offer computer-aided technology for 100% precision-engineered structures and also traditional metal fabrication services. Our large stock holding of raw materials enables us to offer the most competitive pricing available. Every stage of the manufacturing process is carried out in-house, meaning we are one of the few UK companies that can offer a complete end-to-end service. With highly skilled technicians, we are able to ensure the company's exacting standards are met each and every time. As designers and metal fabricators, we also offer the ability to manufacture bespoke structures in a range of sizes, finishes or different materials. Our in-house powder coating plant is one of the largest and most technically advanced in the UK and enables us to offer bespoke colours. Prior to powder coating, all our steel goes through a multi-stage phosphating process to ensure maximum rust resistance and paint adhesion, guaranteeing a market-leading finished product. The lengths at which our staff go to ensure the company motto, whatever it takes, is carried out really is evident at every stage of the design and manufacturing process. We pride ourselves on our dedicated customer services team who are on hand to help with all customer service queries. Our dedicated staff and strong family values are paramount to the business, and this is why Harrod Horticultural have been given the proud recipients of the Employer Excellence Award in 2017 and 2018 at the Bali National Landscape Awards. In 2017, we were awarded the gold standard for investors in people, which is achieved by less than 1% of UK companies. The RHS Chelsea Flower Show is the ideal opportunity to showcase our latest products. We have also been proud recipients of the RHS Chelsea Flower Show Product of the Year for our innovative stormproof cages. We are proud to supply many prestigious gardens such as RHS Gardens, Stately Homes and even the Balmoral Estate. At Harrod Horticultural, whether it's standard products or bespoke designs, we are here to help you achieve your dream garden. We work on the basis that if you never ask us, you will never know.